Hey everyone, this is Juno with Detour Shirts. In this video, we're going to talk about my Redbubble income for October 2020. Let's go! Hey everyone, thanks for joining me on this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about my Redbubble income for October 2020. So you're going to want to stay till the end for this one so you can see what I learned from this month as well as my goals for next month. And you're also going to want to stay till the end because I have another edition of trend credits. But before we start, for those of you new to the channel, my name is Juna. I'm a graphic designer, t-shirt designer. I design and sell t-shirts online, and my channel is all about helping you to design and sell t-shirts online. So if that's something you like to do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you can see all my videos. And don't forget to click that notification button to be notified of when my videos show up. So let's get into this. Redbubble October 2020 sales, you can see right here. I have other videos. I started this in July 2020, so you can go back and see my July 2020 sales as well as my August and September sales. And basically you can see my journey as I add more and more products to Redbubble and how that converts to sales and how that is over time. So you can see over the past 3 months if I did better or lower or whatever. So you can go back and kind of see a history on how I'm doing on Redbubble. Here's how I get my sales history. You just go to Redbubble. If you have a Redbubble account, go to your sales history here, download the CSV file. That's what I did. And I'm just looking at my October sales, not November, even though it's the beginning of November right now. You know, I'm only looking at the October 1 through October 31st sales. So all that information is in that CSV file. You just got to go through it. I would suggest that if you have that, to go through it and see what's selling best for you so that you can know what to add to Redbubble so that you can make more sales. So in September 2020, I had a total of 800 designs. I had a goal of getting to 900 designs by the end of October. I only added 46, and a lot of that was towards the end of October, so I didn't get to add a lot of designs to Redbubble. Things happen. You know, I started making a lot more videos, so I did a lot less design, so that's kind of what happened. So if this happens to you, this shouldn't stop you from adding more designs. This is just a minor setback. You can reset and make more goals is what I'm going to do as well. I'm going to continue to add even though I didn't make my goal in October. In November, I'll try again. So that's what you got to do. And also I want to show you this here. This is kind of just showing day by day traffic, and this is pretty normal as well if you're on Redbubble. Some days you'll get some good sales, other days you won't get any sales, and so on. So you can see here the highs and lows of each day in October on Redbubble. Another thing you can see on Redbubble is your traffic. My traffic actually went up. I got a lot more visitors on Redbubble than I did last month, and that's probably due to the fact that I'm on YouTube and a lot of you are looking at my shop because I have my Redbubble shop there and a link to it. So getting a lot more visitors this month. I'm also thinking that I'm getting more visitors just because we're in Q4, and so I'll continue to get more visitors from YouTube as well as more people shopping during Q4, with October, November, and December being the highest months for traffic for any POD site. So you'll probably see a lot of more visitors yourself. Even though you're not on YouTube, you'll probably get a lot more visitors just because we're in the Q4 time where people are looking and shopping and spending more money. So I also made this graph for you here so you can see the difference between the month before and October. September 2020, I actually had more sales, so I had 144 sales. And what this graph is showing is out of that 144 sales, most of that, 84% of those sales were stickers. Now, last month, October 2020, I only had 105 sales, but 74% of those sales were stickers. So you can see I still sell a lot of stickers. Let me show you some of the new products I sold in October that I didn't sell in September. And those are these. I sold a greeting card, which I hardly sell. I don't know the last time I sold a greeting card. I sold a hoodie pullover, and we're probably going to see more sales of that nature, sweatshirts, pullovers, hoodies, those kind of things because it's getting colder here. So expect that. I am expecting that to go up. Relax Fit t-shirts, I sold 3 of those, and Tri Blend t-shirts. which three of those, which is my favorite. Those are the super soft tri-blend. They have three different types of materials in there, all blended together, which produces a really soft t-shirt. So if you haven't tried one of those are a really cool premium t-shirt right there. So those are some of the new products that I sold in October. So you can see here now that my profit in October actually went up from September. So my estimated profit for October is actually higher than September. And the reason for that is clothes. I sold a lot more t-shirts. That hoodie also was a big benefit. I made $13 on that sale of that hoodie. So hoodies can be a great thing to sell, especially now when people actually want to wear hoodies in the cold. So I would suggest to make sure all your stuff is on hoodies. So you can see here by this pie chart here, I can get away with selling less clothes because the profit on the clothes are a lot higher than on stickers. On stickers, I probably make $1, maybe close to $2 per sticker, but the clothes I can make upwards to $13 if you sell a hoodie on a profit. It's more like $4, $5, $6 on a t-shirt. So just keep that in mind. Here's the breakdown of what I sold. So in September 2020, I had 144 sales. In October 2020, I had 105 sales. So you can see I had a lot less sales by design, but it didn't matter in the end because the profit was better. So let's break that down even further here. Those 105 designs in October, this is kind of how it panned out. Different designs sell month to month, and I showed this last time, and I'm going to show it again. 43 different designs sold in October. So out of those 105 sales, only 43 of them were different, and only 30 of them were designs that sold in September. So 13 designs that sold in October didn't sell in September. They were basically new designs. They're not brand new designs. They were designs that I made earlier, but they didn't sell in September. So what that tells me is to keep your old designs on. You never know when they're going to sell. So they could sell one month and then not sell another month. And this month in October, these 13 were new in October that didn't sell in September. So that's what that's trying to say. And here's one more thing. I also broke it down by topic or by theme. And this will be different for you. But for me, I sold 12 things that related to places, 20 things that related to funny food, 36 things that were pop culture, 10 were funny animals, 24 were just basic funny things. So you can see I sell a lot of funny things here. That's kind of my niche. 2 of the things I just consider cool. They're not funny, but they're kind of neat to have. And only 1 politics. So I didn't really sell a lot of politics shirts. And to be fair, I didn't put in a lot of politic designs either on my shop. So this is what you have to look for you when you download your CSV file. Look for the things that are selling well for you. What sells well for me may not sell well for you, but you can go look on your own CSV file and then make more of those things that sell well for you. And so you can build your shop to be bigger and bigger and sell more things. So what I wrote here for myself is I sold more pop culture things, and some of them, those pop culture things, which I'm calling pop culture, are 2020 themed. So some of my designs have things around this year, 2020. That's why I'm calling it pop culture, because I also have things that are not 2020. So I kind of grouped them together with pop culture. But there's a lot of hot topics and trends around this 2020 theme or this year. So just keep an eye for that when you're doing your research and your trends. Now we're here to what I learned. So what I learned from this month, this October 2020, is I sold a hoodie for $13.30 profit for 1 product. And I love to sell things that are actually get more profit. I'm still trying to get that duvet cover sales, that comforter sales. But right now, $13.30 profit is still pretty good. So if I can sell more hoodies, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to try and maybe get the word out that I have hoodies, maybe post that on social media, on Pinterest or something like that. I also want to do more 2020 inspired design. So I sold a bunch of those things. I want to look for trends for 2020. I also learned that old stuff can come back and sell. So don't take things off of Redbubble if you don't think they're going to sell, because they might. If they sold before, they're probably going to sell again. They may not sell every month, but they could sell, every other month or every 3 months. So just keep them on there. they're nice to get those sales when you don't think that you're going to sell them. And think about presents for Christmas. So think about what people will buy for Christmas for their significant other or their family or their friends. Make sure to give people that option, to buy from your shop for Christmas as presents. So, and get the word out again, put it on social media. This is the time you want to advertise. If there's any time of the year that you want to advertise, this is the time that people are actually looking for gifts, for Christmas gifts. So this is the great time to advertise. Lastly, my goals for November are going to be the exact same goals I had for October. I'm going to still design for trends. I'm going to still design for stickers. I'm going to still design for travel places. I'm going to still try and get those big ticket items. I really want to get the duvet cover sales, those comforter sales. Hopefully people want to buy those things for Christmas. So I'd love to get a one sale profit of more than 20 bucks. That would be great. So I'm still going to try and get up to 900 designs. I have less to do this month. I think I can do it this time. So that will be my goal. I'm not going to try and do 100 uploads, maybe a little less. So hopefully give myself a better chance to get to 900. So that's what I learned for this month. And those are my goals for next month, for November. So that is it for this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Leave a comment on what you learned from this video or something that you heard in this video that you're going to use for next month so that you can get some of those Q4 sales. And stay tuned right now for another edition of Trend Credits. Thanks for staying with me to the end for this trend credit. Here's your trend. Nobody's walking out on this fun old family Christmas. It's a long one. Nobody's walking out on this fun old-fashioned family Christmas. We're all in this together. Basically, these are family fun time t-shirts, so you don't have to actually copy this phrase here, but that's one of the phrases. Force family fun kind of things, family fun time during Christmas, those kind of things. Look up that niche. A lot of people are staying home with their families and going to have some fun during the holidays and Thanksgiving and Christmas. So this is one of the ideas. You can see it's getting an A. Merch Informer competition checker. If you don't have Merch Informer, I have a link in my description here. Now's a great time to get Merch Informer, to look at all the competition that's going on right now in Q4, and they have a deal in Q4, so great time to buy it. Did not show this on Amazon. My DS Amazon Quick View is kind of not working really well right now, but these are getting lots of sales. You can see here this one's 113 rating reviews, estimated 42 sales. So that's the trend for this video. Nobody's walking out on this fun old family Christmas trend. Thanks so much for staying till the end. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you aren't subscribed already, and click that notification bell to be notified of my videos. Until next time, guys, keep creating and keep learning. See you on the next one.